34 weeks. Day on the nursery. I'm so excited. Ready, Leo? Aw, it turned out great. Growing a human. She's grown though. She's just like hanging out in there. Say hi. Good morning. We are at Ralph's because we need breakfast and coffee, everything. So we're gonna get Starbucks here and then do some grocery shopping. I'm wearing the most bougie outfit right now, plus this new Chanel bag. I specifically came to this Ralph's because I thought they had a Starbucks in it and they don't. I've literally had a blueberry bagel one time in my life and now I bought a whole thing of it. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a little try on haul from ThredUp, which is our sponsor of the video. So thank you ThredUp for sponsoring the video. I got a few pieces that I'm excited to open and try on and share with you guys. If you don't know what ThredUp is, it is an online consignment and thrift store. So they have affordable clothing options and sustainable. I love thrifting. So ThredUp makes it that you can thrift online. Okay, here's the first one. Also, they have a brand new feature where I'm gonna put a link down below and you can see the products that I bought and like similar items to it, so you can shop like kind of similar things that I got, which is really great because when people do like a thrift haul, it's like, for what? Because they're rare finds. It's hard to like be like, oh, I thrifted this. Like, sorry, you can't get it anywhere. But with ThredUp, they'll recommend some similar items. So I am also 8 months pregnant right now. So this was honestly fun because I haven't been wanting to spend a lot of money on clothing being pregnant because it's not gonna last for that long. But we're gonna see how this stuff fits. This is a dress from H&M. I just get a big size and it's stretchy. Ooh, this skirt is super cute. Jones, New York coat. I got 2 coats. This is definitely a winter haul. So here's the other pieces I got. I got this Athletica zip up. I kind of had pictured this outfit like with the skirt. Kind of weird, kind of funky, maybe cute, we'll see. Here is my other jacket I got from Banana Republic. And then this cute purple button-up sweater. It's actually super soft. This is from the Loft. Okay, so I have the Athletica zip up on and this is originally online $108, but I got it on ThredUp for $43.99. So that's an example of the nice prices there. It looks great. My vision with the skirt, not exactly going as planned because I think this just needs to be bigger. I am really big right now, but separately, they are both amazing pieces. This is the skirt that is so comfy and so cute. Definitely gonna be wearing this. Here's the H&M dress, totally fits the bump. Super comfy. And then I'm gonna put the Banana Republic coat on. I got these coats just because I've been very much into getting some solid staples. These kind of neutral, classic coats will always last. So we got her and the other one. I low-key want to wear this like with no pants, like maybe just some hidden shorts and like knee-high boots cinched up like this. Adorable. I think this cardigan is my favorite thing I got. It is so comfy and I feel like it looks so cute with the little bump. I'm probably gonna wear this a lot. We love it. So another example of the bargain on this. This is originally $49.99 and I got it on ThredUp for $19.99. So, and I don't see anything wrong with it. I think it is perfect. So make sure you guys click the link down below to shop my picks from ThredUp and use my code Amanda for an extra 35% off your order. Good morning vlog. I look crazy because I literally just woke up and got out of bed. I just threw on this little dress, which I probably will end up wearing today. Today, I'm gonna bring you guys along a day in my life pregnant. I have to give you a little bump date. So I'm 34 weeks and she dropped. Like, she used to be so high up here. It was so uncomfortable and she dropped and she's so low now. You guys don't understand like how incredible this feels because heartburn has been such a bad, terrible part of my pregnancy. Like, I have to sleep like sitting up. It's just incredibly uncomfortable and I lose so much sleep over it and I just feel so tight. But like now she's dropped and it's like so comfortable. I got the best night of sleep I think I've ever gotten. But yeah, Francisco and Leo were outside. So cute. They love the outdoors. Yesterday I was showing Francisco a bunch of like family vlogs to get him to like have an idea of like what we're trying to do here, and we'll see. He promised me he would vlog with me today. So yeah, she looks so cute now. It's like before it was like she was like sideways and like up here. Now she's down and cute and so comfy. I'm gonna make some breakfast and coffee and then I have a facial. I'm going to see Sonia Dakar. My skin is really bad and she was like, I want to see you one more time before you give birth. So excited. Yeah. Good morning. Are you ready to vlog today? Vlog. Yeah? yeah, he's ready. Leo, you look so cute out there too. Look at my boys. What was that? Say it again.
I get up before her so she has a nice coffee to have a beautiful morning.
Aw, you made it strong?
Straight from Colombia. Maintains, make a Colombian.
Real authentic. It's Folgers.
With a Colombian glass.
It has taken my literal entire pregnancy to have weird cravings, but now it's a blueberry bagel. Before yesterday when I bought these, I've had a blueberry bagel one time in my life. I never used to like fruit and like bread and stuff. Just something about the blueberry bagel. I put some cream cheese on it and some agave. I put agave on basically everything. This is so good. Okay, here's how I make the best coffee ever. Okay, so we use some oat milk, some caramel macchiato Starbucks non-dairy creamer. Anyone that talks shit on Starbucks is just trying way too hard to be cool because Starbucks is always amazing. I'm gonna heat that up in the microwave. Okay, we're gonna put some vanilla syrup in it because caramel macchiatos have vanilla syrup, not caramel. Oh, excuse the messy background. I'm so sorry, guys. I never know how much to put, so we're just gonna do like that. We need to whisk everything, make it frothy. Oh my gosh, I got whipped cream too. Okay, so I've made too much. Now it's like too much milk, so I'm gonna put some in his. For the coffee, I should have put the caramel. I would put the caramel in before I poured the coffee, so it's like all over the glass. That's cute, but I didn't do that. So we're just gonna, I don't know, throw it on there. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Ta-da! Cheers. So I'm here, and they have the cutest little setup. And a sleep set. Aw, good in bed. Love it. This is where the facial's done. She just came in here to tell me that I need to show an unboxing of the pajamas because they're the best. Oh, cute. Even has all of their stuff. This is so adorable. It's a Sonia Dakar robe. Definitely will be doing my skincare and stuff in this. Okay, the cutest thing that I swear exists in the world until the baby comes is when I throw a piece of food for Leo to catch in his mouth. Just so adorable. Let's take a look. Ready? Oh, stop. That is so cute. Ready, Leo? Sit. Oh my god, he's just so cute. He's just so cute. Leo.
Leo, how was your day? What did you do today? Yes? You wanna go on a walk?
Yeah? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? Oh. Ready, Leo? So Francisco's in charge of the dog and I'm in charge of the poop. Let's go. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little update of the nursery because a lot's been done, but we're still waiting on a lot of stuff. So this is what it looks like right now. The walls are painted and then we put this molding in to make it so princessy, so much more luxurious. My dad and Francisco did that themselves. It looked way easier online, the videos, than I guess it really was for them. It turned out great. We got this rug from Walmart actually, and then you guys saw these Restoration Hardware pieces. I was gonna do a very like neutral aesthetic room for her, but then I was like, you know, she's a baby. She's a baby, let's make it cute and fun. So we're going a different direction. This is obviously hint into the direction. I got this pink little fluffy chandelier from Wayfair. I just unboxed this Love Every playmat, so that's exciting. We have 2 playmats now, which I guess we'll need for different rooms. These curtains I got custom and they're gorgeous, but I just got like the wrong size and they were so expensive and I got them just because they were a Black Friday deal. So I need like double to make it more scrunch, but I don't really feel like spending that much money right now. So they're gonna be like that. They're gorgeous anyway. In her bathroom, we did this, kind of hard to see with lighting, but this green color, you know? The vibes kind of matches like other seafoam green stuff I got for her. I think it's cute and a little bit different. And then my mom got this bath mat that I picked out, which is cute. And then, so our plan for art up here, I'm gonna have these little light things here, these light fixtures that like illuminate art, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 framed art pieces. I have the frames right here, so they're gonna be like just squares, cute on there. And I am trying to get these photos from Etsy, basically that just have hearts and like a butterfly in it. So 4 of those really cute. And I think it will go well with the rug. And then here is what the light fixture looks like. I need my dad here to do these things, so why they're not up yet. But yeah, I'm really excited for this because it's a lot more exciting now that there's color involved. I think it's gonna be super adorable. My rocking chair glider is gonna go right there, but that's not coming until like the week she's born, which, you know, it's fine. It's a gift, so that's amazing because it is not cheap. And then I got a cute little like bright limeish green, kind of like closer to these colors, a little side table for the chair. And then on this side is gonna be a, I don't know how you say it, boucle fabric pull-out sofa. So I custom made it from CB2. It's gonna be white, cute, and then we'll decorate that with pillows. But it also pulls out into a full-length bed. I just think it's really nice to have like a bed inside here with the baby. I don't know what I'm gonna do up here yet. And that couch is not coming until May, unfortunately. CB2, not a fan, okay? They played me. So yeah, basically that's our little update on the nursery. I'm so excited. It's looking so cute. We're just kind of waiting on the things that are like out of our control, like the 2 pieces that are coming so late. And then I have to figure out how to get this art because we got a downloadable file, but then it didn't come with all of the pictures. And we've put a lot of stuff away, like just because we want to have an idea of where everything's gonna go. But it's not all neat because we have to wash it all before she comes. So that's kind of what it's looking like. I'm nice and showered. It is, what time is it? Only 6:37.
And
he just put coffee ice cream in a dinner roll.
in a bread.
In a bread.
It's Singaporean way. So in Singapore they sell like,
Singapore.
Yeah, they have this bread with colors and they put like a piece of ice cream.
It's like an ice cream sandwich.
So I haven't had that since I haven't been in Singapore.
Cheers. Making popcorn. I'm obsessed with these now. Annie's fruit tape. And then we'll probably try to find a movie to watch. There's not much going on these days.
There's a lot going on.
I'm growing a human. She's grown though. She's just like hanging out in there. My skin just, you know how after you get a facial and they just pop everything and your face looks crazy? That's how I look right now. Oh. I decided to make some pizza. Ooh, I burnt it a little bit. But this is this mushroom truffle pizza from Trader Joe's. So good. I'm feeling a little bit concerned. Not concerned because like everything feels great, but I was like, okay, she dropped. And when I looked up like dropping 34 weeks, it seemed normal. But then I looked it up again. And it was like, when they drop, that means like you're gonna go into labor like 2 to 4 weeks from that point. I'm like, whoa. So I don't know if she just moved in position or like she actually did drop. If that's the case, she's coming early. Like, is she gonna drop more? Who knows? If anyone has any experience, let me know. All right, vlog. That was a day in our life. Not too exciting because I'm so pregnant. And now I'm a little bit worried that I'm almost gonna have a baby here because it dropped. I really do feel like I can breathe better and all that stuff. I need to talk to my doctor or something. But everything's good and we're gonna watch a movie. Leo is here as always, being super cute. And we will see you guys next time. Bye. And thank you again to ThredUp for sponsoring the video. Make sure to click the link down below to shop my pics and use my code Amanda for 35% off of your first order.